is for Allah, loving and kind. B is for Bismillah, we say all the time. C is for camel, walking in sand. D is for dua, sweet in our hand. E is for aid, joy all around. F is for faith, strong and sound. G is for goat, grazing away. H is for Hajj, a blessed holy day. I is for Islam, peaceful and true. J is for Jummah, prayer we do. K is for Kaaba, shining so bright. L is for light of guidance and right. M is for Masjid, where we pray. N is for Nabi, showing the way. O is for one, Allah above. P is for prayer, full of love. Q is for Quran, guiding our heart. R is for Ramadan, a special start. S is for Salah, 5 times a day. T is for Tasbih, we gently say. U is for Ummah, one big team. V is for virtue, pure like a dream. W is for wudu, clean and pure. X is for extra kindness we ensure. Y is for youth, learning each day. Z is for zakat, giving the right way. ABC of Islam, come and see. Learn and grow happily.
हेलो किड्स, अगर आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। शुक्रिया, बाय।